Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Pad Mini, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, we have to open a browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries if you're using any other kind of the browser. Basically, this operation of removing the history, etc. looks pretty similar in all other commonly used browsers. So I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it using in your browser using this tutorial. So let me enter my browser and then simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Tap on the history. And as you can see here, we've got the list of previously visited websites. And of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if in your case this list is so long, then I highly recommend to just tap on Clear Browsing Data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics, we've got browsing history, cookies inside data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also this section, so saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. So I will remove everything. What is more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks or even all time. It's up to you. And if you're ready, tap on Clear Data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed basically everything. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your REALME Pad Mini. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.